Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making Indian sweet rice, also known as a Zarda or saffron rice. For this recipe we need rice, ghee, sugar, water, and dry coconut sliced, almond sliced, cashew sliced, green cardamom seeds, cloves, raisins, and orange food color. If you have a saffron, you can use that. Now I washed my rice, so I'm gonna add into the pot. For 1 cup rice, I use 1.5 cup of water. And we're adding coloring. If you have a saffron, I did not have it, so I'm gonna use the orange food coloring. Now we're gonna turn on the stove. I don't turn on the stove before. And we're gonna wait for until it start boiling. So we're gonna wait for until it start boiling. I add a little bit red color to make it a little orangey because I like that way, but otherwise it's fine. If it's jello, not a problem. Okay, so our rice is start boiling now. Now we have to lower the heat and cover with the lid so it can cook, and we're gonna wait for until it fully cooked. Okay, let's check the rice. Okay, alrighty. They're perfectly done. So now they're good. Look at these rice, they're like totally done. So now we're gonna remove this pot away from here. I'm gonna get another pan. Let's turn on the stove back on medium. So we're gonna put the ghee in there. You can use less or more, except to you, and ghee is good. We're gonna wait for ghee to melt. Okay, we're adding raisins. We're adding cashews, almonds, and then we're adding coconut slices. This is the dry coconut I got from Indian store. So you can cut it whatever you like, and if you don't have that available, just use the shredded coconut. That's totally fine. We are adding cloves. At this point, we can add the rice. Now we are adding sugar. If you like, you can turn off the heat or do to low. Totally fine. We're gonna wait for melt the sugars. So looks shiny. Now we can add our cardamoms. If you like powder, you can use the powder cardamom, it's fine, but I like to see them. That's it, and let's plate it. Okay, our zarda or saffron rice is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself.